Bonjour mes amis, check this out. It's story time with Duolingo. This is called Un Rendez-vous. Let's go. Bam.
Béa est au restaurant pour un rendez-vous.
Béa est au restaurant pour un rendez-vous. Okay.
Salut, ça va?
Salut, ça va? It means hello, how are you, right?
Ça va, merci.
Ça va, merci.
Tu veux une pizza?
Tu veux une pizza? Do you want a pizza?
Non, une salade.
Non, une salade.
J'ai un match de football aujourd'hui.
J'ai un match de football aujourd'hui. Ok. Génial! Great.
Tu joues au football?
Tu joues au football? You play football?
Oui,
Oui. B is ordering a salad because she just ate a whole pizza. She is playing soccer today. The man said salad is delicious. She's playing soccer today. Don't want to eat too heavy, you know. Mama said don't eat too much when you're out there or she's going to get cramps and stuff like that.
Moi aussi.
Moi aussi.
Ah, super!
Ah, super.
Tu es français?
Tu es français? Are you French?
Non, je suis canadien.
Non, je suis canadien. I am a Canadian.
Et mes parents sont espagnols.
Et mes parents sont espagnols. And my parents are Spanish.
J'aime beaucoup l'Espagne.
J'aime beaucoup l'Espagne. I love Spain.
Tu as un animal de compagnie?
Tu as un animal de compagnie? Do you have a pet? Is that what she's saying?
Oui, j'ai 2 chats et un chien.
Oui. Oui, j'ai 2 chats et un chien. Yes, I have 2 cats and a dog.
Ah, super, Sébastien! J'ai aussi un chien.
Ah, super, Sébastien. J'ai aussi un chien. Ah, she also has a dog, I guess, yeah.
Pardon? Je m'appelle Paul.
What? Pardon, je m'appelle Paul.
Et tu t'appelles Anne.
Et tu t'appelles Anne. And your name is Anne?
Anne? Je m'appelle Béa.
Anne, je m'appelle Bea. No, my name is Bea. Did you catch that? Bea and Paul were supposed to meet different people. Whoops.
Une femme arrive au restaurant.
Une femme arrive au restaurant. Okay. A woman arrives at the restaurant.
Salut, tu es Paul? Je suis Anne.
Salut, tu es Paul? Je suis Anne.
Non, je m'appelle Sébastien.
Non, je m'appelle Sébastien. What's going on here? Whoa, what just happened? They changed her name to Anne. They changed Paul's dog. What? Paul liked his real date because he likes. Yeah, that's why. That one. What is this? Tap. Oh, we can go through this again? Whoa. Cool. Tap the pairs. Tu es.
Tu es.
Aujourd'hui.
Aujourd'hui.
Chat.
Chat.
Femme.
Femme.
Deux. All
Deux.
right. Awesome. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. I don't know the tones. Haven't done this enough. All right. We completed the story. That was 4 minutes? I don't think so, man. That was 3 minutes and 49 seconds on my watch.
Hop on a Qantas flight to Sydney,
Yeah,
Australia.
that's exactly what I wanted to do. I'm going to hop on a flight. Away from these ads. At least they're bringing. I'm pressing the X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we're moving on to the next lesson. Let's start that. What is the next one, man? I'm great. Oh, greet people, not great people, but hopefully you'll meet some great people. This is the real foundational stuff here. When you greet someone, you gotta say, well, salut, bonjour, enchanté, stuff like that. We're getting into the meat of the greet. Advanced learners? I can't wait to get to the advanced section. That's gonna be so epic. How many times can you say bonjour without bonjour? Don't say the Oh man, this is taking a long time. Should we just move into the next video? I keep forgetting to check to see if there's a pause button on this recording stuff. Wow, it's really a long time, huh? Bonjour. Comment ça va? How are you?
Oui, Marie.
Oui, Marie. Yes, Mary. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. No, never say that. You'll be laughed out of the country if you say that.
Oui.
Oui. In my mind, I knew it said yes, but I pressed the wrong button. Oh, I wish I could just grab that heart and pull it back. Because mine is broken now.
Oui.
Oui. Yes.
Un.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Chien.
Chien. Chien.
Bonjour Anna, comment ça va? Je suis Julie.
Bonjour Anna, comment ça va? Je suis Julie. Julie asks, how are you doing, right? How is Anna doing? Bon, comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Ça.
Ça,
Ça.
with a squiggly line on the bottom, is a ça.
Bonjour.
Bonjour means hello.
Bien.
Bien. Well, I can't believe I got that wrong, man. I'm still
Comment?
mourning over it. How?
Oui.
Oui.
Oui, ça va bien.
Oui, ça va bien?
Chien,
No.
bien.
Yes, I'm doing well, me. I'm doing well, me.
Où.
Ooh.
Où.
Ooh. That sounds.
Bonjour, Marie.
Bonjour, Marie.
Marie.
Hello, Marie. Good morning, Marie. How are you doing, Marie? So, comment ça va?
Comment?
Comment... Where's the ça? Oh, ça va?
Va,
Marie.
Marie.
Comment ça va, Marie?
Comment ça va, Paul?
Comment...
Comment?
Ça va, Paul?
Paul.
Comment ça va, Paul? Yes, I am doing well. So, that'd be oui.
Oui.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien.
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 Oui,
Oui. Yes. That seemed unusually easy for some reason. Except for the mistake that was my brain just saying, nope, no more. No more right answers. We got to get one wrong. See you guys in the next video.